Hello, professional and affordable appliance repair can be available to your household by calling us today. We are Tarrant and Dallas Countys' top choice for repair of major appliances, in residential homes and offices. Contact us today, if you are in need of professional repair of any of the following: washer, dryer, refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, cooktop, oven, microwave, garbage disposal, ice maker, range hood, gas grill, trash compactor. We service all makes and models. We have been providing outstanding appliance repair in Tarrant and Dallas County for over 30 years. Upon arrival to your home, the technician starts by assessing all appliances in question for needed repairs, appliance parts, or maintenance services. After determining the issue with your appliance or appliance parts, you will be provided with an estimate. These estimates include all parts and labor necessary to complete the repairs. We then give our customers the choice of either proceeding with the repair work, or not proceeding. When the customer elects to proceed with the job, then we waive the travel charge and diagnosis charge. When the customer elects to not proceed with the job, then the customer only pays for the estimate and the travel charge. Contact us as soon as possible to get discounted rates on appliance repair. You don't have to wait another day. We offer same-day service. Call Mike's Appliance Repair now, at 682-249-3416.